Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is December 17th, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at market trend and our strategy. First, let's take a look at the indices. German DAX index still in the uptrend. Nasdaq index broke to the new high again. SP 500 new high. Gold continued to be in the downtrend, although last week it rebounded a little bit. Silver also downtrend, but last week rebounded. Gold mining stock ETF last week rebounded. The overall trend is still going down. The whole gold sector, gold, silver, and the gold mining stocks, those are all in the downtrend. Crude oil consolidating. This is a financial ETF 3 times. It's still in the uptrend, consolidating. Social media ETF. This is this is not social media. This is semiconductor. 3 times semiconductor ETF. Right now, semiconductor is going through correction, and this SOXL is under the 50-day moving average right now. But looks like it may have found support over here. If this can materialize, and if this go above 50-day moving average, and this whole thing can go up again. Tech ETF 3 times uptrend. BOTZ is a artificial intelligence ETF. It's in the uptrend, but right now it's going through correction. So is ROBO. This is a robotics ETF. It's also AI, artificial intelligence ETF. Right now it's sitting right on the 50-day moving average. Home construction ETF is very strong lately, even though last week it's going through correction. Social media ETF also in the uptrend. Now, GBTC, this is tied with the Bitcoin. This is an ETF that has the highest performance. It just keep going up because of the Bitcoin. And next, I'm gonna take a look at is a ETF. The lot of ETFs. I put them together, and we can take a look. First is a BOTZ. This is artificial intelligence ETF. We all know about it, and right now in the uptrend, very nice uptrend. But current stage is broke below 50-day moving average. You could wait until it go above 50-day moving average before you buy. That will give you like more certainty, more that this is recover and resume the uptrend. ROBO is another AI, artificial intelligence ETF, also uptrend, consolidating to the 50-day moving average. AI equity is another new one. And ARKK, this ARK Innovation ETF. This is a ETF that gave a highest performance among all the ETFs we're seeing today. And it's a very strong ETF. China consumer ETF. This one has stocks like Alibaba. It belongs to the China consumer sector. So right now, this ETF is in the uptrend, but it just finished 50-day, just stood above 50-day moving average, finished correction. China High Tech, China Technology ETF, CQQQ. Right now, it's going through the correction. China MSCI ETF and uptrend and also going through correction right now. ITA is aerospace and defense ETF. Those are the military contract companies, defense sector. This is a very strong uptrend. Just broke out here. XAR is another defense ETF. It's also broke out from this pullback. So, Innovator IBD 50 fund. This is IBD 50 fund. This is performed pretty good too. It's in the uptrend. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin, GBTC. This is tied with the Bitcoin price, and right now it's very high, just gone up a lot. This is a very strong trend right now. Hack is a cybersecurity ETF consolidating here. Home builder ITB pull back after a long run up. Home builder XHB did the same, gone up, and now it's a pullback. iPay is a mobile payment ETF in a nice uptrend here. KWEB is a China Internet ETF. It's consolidating here. Lithium, LIT, is consolidating here. China ETF, again, China ETF. Overall, it's uptrend, but right now it's under correction. It's below 50-day moving average. You may want to wait until it finishes the correction, go above 50-day moving average. QQQ is the U.S. high-tech NASDAQ ETF going uptrend, and right now it just break out from this little base here. Rare earth ETF. This invests in the companies and stocks that hold the real material, basically a rare material. Titanium is one and others. So this is a nice uptrend. Right now it's consolidating. Semiconductor ETF consolidating at this moment. SOXS, another semiconductor ETF, also consolidating. SOCL is a social media ETF, uptrend. This one is a global social media, so it has all the foreign companies as well. So now that would be for all the ETFs. What to do in this market? I will continue long the market and just rotate the fund into a strong sector. Either it's an ETF or stock, and hold on to it. And hold on till end of this year. And that's what I will do. And now, you may want to see that usually before the end of the year, there will be a Christmas rally. So looks like, at the end of the year, if you hold on to your ETFs and stocks, that's tend to be the best thing to do. Okay, that'll be all for this week. See you next week.